Welcome to a little visit to the local car and bicycle repair shop. The shop is located in the Old Town of Aarhus, along with a lot of other interesting houses. It is located in the quarter of the city that shows the period from 1900 to 1927. The bicycle repair shop is bustling with activity, repairing various bicycles. In the corner stands a DKW motorcycle, ready for a ride. In the auto repair shop, they are repairing a Chevrolet so that it is ready for a ride. Thank you for watching. See you soon.